How to fix WhatsApp not receiving messages on iPhone. Are your WhatsApp chats strangely silent if you're not getting any messages until you open the app? Here's how to fix WhatsApp not receiving messages on iPhone. First, confirm your internet is working. Try loading a website in Safari. WhatsApp won't receive messages if you're offline. Next, go to Settings. Go to General. Go to Background App Refresh. When you find WhatsApp, open it. Ensure WhatsApp is allowed to work in the background. Right here. If low power mode is on, it might delay message delivery. Turn it off by going to Settings and Battery. Right here. It's not turned on right now, so we're good. Now check that WhatsApp notifications are enabled. Without them, messages might appear late. And that's it. With these steps, your WhatsApp messages should arrive instantly. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.